The world is changing. Data is moving out of spreadsheets and into applications. The data is rich, connected, and has many security considerations. How do we retain the flexibility of spreadsheets while still maximising the power of Salesforce? Introducing Grids, a next-generation app for boosting user adoption and productivity in Salesforce. In any industry, your employees find themselves inundated with data. It's slow and time-consuming to find the correct data and action updates. Grids allows you to connect to any Salesforce data and display it in a single screen. Benefit from being 100% aligned to Salesforce's sharing model and flow automations. Profit from a scalable and maintainable app built on the latest Salesforce LWC technology and forward-compatible with future Salesforce updates. Offering first-class support with art of the possible visions to help you reach your ambition. Trusted by many pioneering brands. Drive productivity in your organisation today.